Welcome to another How to Bake, and today we are going to make cinnamon raisin bread. It's an easy recipe and the taste is amazing. I think you should really try it. We are going to start with the ingredients for our dough. First we need all-purpose flour and I've added a little bit of salt to it. Then we need milk, sugar and 1 egg, butter, vanilla sugar and some dry yeast. Before mixing your dough, warm up your milk in the microwave just for a few seconds and then mix it with your yeast. Melt your butter and add it to your bowl, together with the egg, sugar and vanilla sugar, and then mix it until it looks creamy. Then put in your milk with the yeast and let it all mix. Let's put in the flour now and mix it slowly for a few minutes and then fast for about 5 minutes until your dough is well developed. Use some flour in your bowl to prevent the dough from sticking. Now shape the dough round and put it in. Let it rest for 45 minutes and don't forget to cover it up. While we have to wait for our dough, we have the time to prepare the filling. We are going to use brown castor sugar, butter and cinnamon, raisins and some pecans. Take your pecans and chop them a little smaller. Put your sugar, pecans and cinnamon in a bowl and mix them together. Save your butter and raisins for later. Before continuing with your dough, prepare a baking tray and glaze it with some oil. When the 45 minutes are over, it's time to flatten our dough and make sure the shape is 20 by 30 centimeters. Then use your melted butter to glaze the dough and put your mixture on top of it. Finish it with the raisins. Then roll it up and divide it into 8 pieces. Put them into your baking tray and leave some space in between, because they will proof and get bigger. Cover them up again and let it proof for around 45 minutes. Start preheating your oven to 200 degrees. In the meantime, we are going to prepare our glaze to put on the bread after baking. It's a mixture of powdered sugar and water. After 45 minutes you will see that the bread looks bigger. Now it's time to bake. Once the bread is in the oven, lower the oven temperature to 160 degrees and bake for around 20 minutes. Use your melted butter to make your bread shine. Now sprinkle your other glaze onto your cinnamon bread.